Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to fix touch screen not working in iPhone 16 Pro or Plus. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and click on general and open software update, and here you can your iOS latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update, then update it. After updating the iOS latest version, restart your iPhone. For restarting your iPhone, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time. And slide this icon to right side for restart your phone. After restarting your phone, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix, then remove your screen protector and install new one protector on your screen. After installing new protector, open settings and click on general and scroll down and click on transfer and reset iPhone, and reset all settings, and here you can enter your passcode to reset all your settings, and here you can confirm reset all your settings. It will be destroy all your settings but never destroy any other data like photos, videos and other data. It will only reset all your settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.